Okay, so what is a hypothesis? Hypothesis, remember, is that statement which you need to test, or which you which you want to reject, or which you want to test for rejections. For example, if I tell you that a stock has a mean return of 10%, then this can be true, or this might be true, or might not be true. So if I want to test it, just this statement for rejection, then it is known as hypothesis testing. So this is a hypothesis. Hypothesis is any statement which you test to reject. Or so there can be only two outcomes of hypothesis testing: either you reject hypothesis, or you fail to reject hypothesis. So remember, there cannot be an outcome of accepting a hypothesis. If you have to accept it, then instead of saying acceptance, you say that we fail to reject that hypothesis. So either you reject or you fail to reject. These can be only two outcomes in statistics. So before you go into testing hypothesis, you first define hypothesis, that what hypothesis is. So there can be different types of hypothesis. There can be a test in which you want to check whether the expected return will be greater than 10% or not. There can be a test in which you want to test whether the expected return will be less than equal to 10% or not. There can be a test in which you want to test whether expected return will be within a certain range or not, or you want to test variance, that variance is a certain number or not, or you want to test equality of variances, whether variance A is equal to variance B or not. So there can be different tests, and so for these different types of hypothesis, different tests are used, or different structures or methods or formulas are used. But no matter what the formula is, structure or method remain, or methodology remains be the same. That is, first you define the hypothesis, which is known as null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is the hypothesis which you are testing. So for example, if I tell you that mean is greater than equal to 10%, this is my hypothesis. So this becomes your null hypothesis. Then you define alternate hypothesis. Alternate hypothesis is opposite of null hypothesis. So if it is a null hypothesis is mean being greater than equal to 10%, and alternate would be mean being less than 10%. So it is opposite of null hypothesis. Once you have defined this, then next thing is that you define the test statistic. By test statistic, we mean which test or formula should you use. Should you use Z formula, or should you use T table, or should you use chi-square table, or should you use F-test table? So there are different distributions, so you need to decide which distribution should be used for testing this. So key point should be that you should remember which formula, which test should be applied in which scenario, or which type of questions or scenarios. So remember, these tests concerning mean, or concerning mean value, or a specific value, can be tested using Z test or T test, and there are different scenarios in which we can use it or test it.